Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today we have an exciting topic to explore: Microsoft Edge not responding. If you are experiencing this issue, don't worry, we are here to guide you through the troubleshooting process. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. Before we dive into the solutions, let's understand why Microsoft Edge may become unresponsive. It could be due to excessive extensions, conflicting software, or corrupted data. But fret not, we have several effective troubleshooting solutions to resolve this issue. Solution 1. Update Microsoft Edge. First thing first, ensure that you have the latest version of Microsoft Edge installed. Outdated software can lead to compatibility issues and unresponsiveness. Check for updates by clicking on the three-dot menu icon in the top right corner, selecting Settings, and then About Microsoft Edge. Solution 2. Reset Microsoft Edge. Resetting Microsoft Edge can resolve deeper issues. To do this, open the control panel on your computer, select Programs, then Programs and Features. Find Microsoft Edge in the list, right-click on it, and select Uninstall. After the uninstallation is complete, restart your computer and reinstall Microsoft Edge from the official Microsoft website. Solution 3. Create a new user profile. If the issue persists, creating a new user profile can help resolve any conflicts or corruption within your existing profile. Open the Settings app, navigate to Accounts, then Family and Other Users. Under Other Users, click on Add someone else to this PC and follow the instructions to create a new user profile. Log into the new profile and check if Microsoft Edge is now responding. And there you have it. Happy browsing.
If you like this video, then don't forget to press the like button. Also, do share it with your friends and families. For more videos like these, do subscribe to Gossipfunda YouTube channel. You can read more such amazing blogs on our website. Visit gossipfunda.com. Link is in the description box. Do check it out. See you in the next video.